Meaning of empowerment.
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 Empowerment. Empowerment refers to the process of enabling individuals or groups to take control of their own lives, make their own decisions and take actions to achieve their goals. The result of empowerment is increased self-confidence, self-esteem and a sense of control over one's life. Empowered individuals are better equipped to access resources and opportunities, solve problems and make informed decisions. Empowerment also leads to greater participation in societal decision-making processes and increased engagement in community development initiatives. Ultimately, empowerment leads to positive social change and contributes to a more equitable and just society.